National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing. These storms were located along a line extending from Peru to 7 miles west of Streator and moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Los Al around 7:20 a.m., Utica around 7:40 a.m., Grand Ridge, Naplate, and Ottawa around 8 o'clock a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Kangley.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio.
Alrighty. Almost missed that alert.
The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Los Al, Will, Grundy, Kankakee, Iroquois, Ford, Livingston, McLean, Woodford, and Marshall counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 7:16 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Los Al County in north central Illinois until 8 o'clock a.m.
Right.
At 7:09